chasing after the sea lion.
Oh, he's gonna come over here.
I see color. I got color.
Oh my god, it's huge!
Oh, it's a triggerfish.
Yes! Oh my god!
Kylie, hold it. Go hold it. Kylie, go hold the line.
What?
Yeah, go get a picture.
Oh my god!
Carly, get a picture, get a picture!
You did it! Oh my god! What's up? It's Kush here with another Kush vlog. I forgot to vlog this.
Oh god, these minutes.
Oh god. I'll explain what's happening.
Okay, so we are about 7 miles from an island, and we have broken down on a boat. Back to you, Kush.
That's about it. Does anyone want to say anything?
Please, help.
All we have is crackers.
We're back. It's the same day.
We're out of oil, sadly.
We don't have oil.
0 oil, but a boat is coming. Here we go.
T-minus 10 minutes.
Kylie caught the biggest fish.
I caught the most fish.
I caught
It's
the
your
biggest
boy, not a
fish.
scrub.
It was a trigger fish, and I caught it. That was it. Just kidding, Jaden helped a lot.
I literally just held the pole.
Yeah. Yeah, and we'll know what happened to us.
Okay. Oh, wrong arm. Oh my goodness. Hurt.
Gabby can hold it.
Yeah, I got you.
Fireworks going on.
So look at the last. Look at the.
There might be.
Much more.
Let's get this.
Come look.
Yeah, Kylie, come here.
A bit less. Little bugger.
Are we leaking oil?
I think we are.
I think we're gonna die.
No, we're not gonna die. We're just leaking oil.
Not if Kurt keeps pouring oil like that.
Boat's dead for the 3rd time. Marin's still out. Do you guys have anything to add to this situation?
Twice we've broken down. Twice.
Well, this is the 3rd one, right?
No, this is number 2.
What? No, this is the 3rd time.
This is not the 3rd time.
Yeah, it is.
Is it the 3rd time?
Yeah, it's the 3rd time.
Well, I guess we're on 3 now. So 3 breaks are.
You can take me.
We're gonna get to it.
We're dropping anchor right
He
now.
said 10 or 15 minutes that they can get to us really quickly. It's not a big, huge deal because we're pretty close.
Are we vlogging this? Okay,
Yeah.
hey folks. So we're dropping anchor. Yeah, let's get a little bit closer. So we're dropping anchor. There's a grinding noise, and we're getting a new boat.
So basically, here's what happened. So this
Spewing oil.
This is our 2nd breakdown.
Oil.
Update on last time. 3rd
Spewing.
stop. So basically, I'm sitting up here, and I
They're
go to
coming
step
to
down,
get
and I hear the engine go. It's like, and then the whole ship went. Stop.
So basically it was Frankie's fault because he stepped down from
Basically, it was all Frankie.
So basically, I'm just too much of a big guy.
So basically, we're about to throw him overboard.
Nah.
boats are coming in 15 minutes.
Okay, she's like the reason.
Okay,
so
I
Cassie
feel like
Sorry, I
really
mean,
sees
we're all
it.
gonna
so now
die.
we're
We're
all
all
Super
gonna die.
seasick.
Someone needs to get me salted.
I think we have to wake up Marin eventually.
Hashtag
It's kind of bumming me out.
Yeah, if you get on for a boat.
Can I really go down there and just yell worse? I might go.
Yeah, wait, no.
Do it.
Yeah. Come on.
Aaron, we're sinking. We're sinking. We're going. No, but this is the second time we've broken down,
We're
so
going on another
Yeah.
boat.
our engines. So we're not sinking, but we are having to abandon ship.
So I need to not sleep?
Yeah.
You can sleep for another 10 minutes, but the boat's gonna be here soon.
Another update, we're rationing the crackers to survive. Everyone's gotten more than enough of their share.
I don't know.
Gabby, I want
Yeah.
more.
Starving down here.
Kirk and Allison are going to starve. Whoops. Don't leave the teenagers in charge of the crackers next time. Oh,
You have
that's me.
fish.
So his
Profit.
grouper waypoint is just like right over there.
Oh, yeah. Also, I don't know if you can see, there's
Yeah?
where we
Yeah.
are staying, and there's the island we're coming from. They're both far away. Update, we're out of crackers. Kylie, what do you think about that?
I'm starving. I know some of the seals out there had collars on. They had like Yeah, they had collars.
We might be stranded, but Jane got another fish.
Alright, toss it back.
Oh,
But good job.
okay, we're still out of food.
I'm not either.
Doing an experiment.
We're fishing now, but a boat's on the way, so we're all good, right?
Yeah. I caught a mackerel.
And yeah, that was included, don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. You got rid of the mackerel, so now we're gonna starve again.
What you doing?
I don't know.
I'm just letting line out. Oh, there's ground. And
The
all
end.
one, two.
Update, the towboat's like 5 miles out. It's been like, what is it, 30 minutes?
It's been 30 minutes.
Something like that?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Wait, let me show them my son.
Okay.
If he's
It's actually been 6 days and 5 hours.
Yeah, we've been out here for a very long while.
You
The
guys wanna see
vegan
my
and
baby
gluten-free
squid?
person are not happy.
I got catfished, and then part of
I
my
caught
squid
one.
broke up. This used to be a full squid, and now it's gone.
It's gone.
I got the biggest one.
I got catfish,
Look.
and I caught bass, and those
Not
fish might
those
not
ones.
be
That
good.
one's
I caught a
Kylie's.
catfish.
But you got catfish.
Yeah, that's what I'm calling it.
Go, Jaden, go.
Didn't have a fish. We're gonna get a fish live on the
Ooh,
vlog.
ooh.
Live on the vlog.
On the
If not,
vlog.
It's gonna be very sad.
Yeah, it's gonna be really depressing when your squid comes up.
Oh, we got a fish.
We got a fish, lads.
Woo!
It's grunting. What kind of fish is this?
Oh, I got one too. Hold on,
you?
double.
Ooh.
Fish? Are we over the rock?
The vlog is the good luck.
No, different.
Oh,
This is good.
oh my.
It's good? Bueno?
What type of fish is it?
Frankie's just gonna pull up the squid again.
Citro.
I am.
Citro?
Citro.
Seed?
Okay, vámonos.
You want me like?
Wait, so, Gabby,
Yeah.
so I can screenshot this later.
Yeah.
I got one too. Hold on.
Very good. Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, Frankie.
Let's pose together.
Did you hear the noise that bad boy made?
Ready?
Is that one a mackerel too?
Hold it.
Wait, hold it.
Oh.
Okay.
Tell it to calm down.
Calm
all yellow.
down.
There we go.
Here, wait, I'll take the bowl.
The double.
Cool.
¿Listo?
Here, is that comida?
Ese sí.
Sí.
Este no.
It's too small.
Too small.
Aquí for bait. This.
It's good bait.
Sweet.
So we use that one for later.
Yeah.
We're still tied.
Oh, look, Frankie's swim bladder came out of his mouth. That's what that is. See? So deep.
We'll change the weights.
So Kylie,
Change the
how do you
bait.
feel about this?
I don't know what a swim bladder is, but I need to empty mine.
Frankie.
Here's fish, Frankie's fish, like 3 seconds after.
Yeah, it's good bait, so I think I went.
Oh, the fish is still grunting.
Yeah, an update on this lad. He's still alive, sadly.
Oh boy. So what's the vlog?
So basically what happened was Kylie was freaking out, but our boy here making some noise. Gabby was singing Sweet Nothing.
Yeah.
And Jaden, being Jaden, straight up savage, I heard some crunching behind me. It looked like he was
Jaden, what did you do?
nothing.
You took the knife to the fish, didn't you?
But it's better than it just grunting.
So update to detention rises.
Okay, we're all gonna kill each other before we
Yeah,
get
but
home.
Oh,
The fish keeps coming back to life.
he's still alive.
We're like an hour-ish in. I kinda wanna go home. Kylie's out here rocking out. And the boat's finally in view. Can anybody find me? Someone tell. Good news, the boat's here. Kylie doesn't want to move.
It's just
Can I pop up? Sorry. Jaden, was that you or was it Frankie?
that was your boy
Ooh, Frankie's got another fish.
in my head.
Neat. They're coming back. And the guys brought us chips and salsa. What a day. Yeah.
But it's too small.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a really bad day.
got a serious hole in my tummy. So that one's called Serena de la Noche, Mermaid of the Night, and they're calling this one Serenita, the Little Mermaid. So it's like the baby of that one.
The mama came and got her daughter.
doing Irish Mist.
No, they don't. They're changing Irish Mist.
We're moving. They brought us food. He also brought some ceviche for us.
Update. The Latino Coast Guard, I guess, came and saved us and gave us food. Look at all that grub. And we're making ceviche.
Oh, sorry, I almost kicked you off.
You're good. So we are making ceviche now, so 10 out of 10 on this
Gang,
shipwreck.
gang. Kylie. Kylie. Hello. Update, the rope snapped. Our parents are leaving.
It was fine until then.
What's going on?
Speaking Spanish.
Our rope broke, and so now we're stranded again, and so we're using our anchor rope as the tow rope.
Things are looking rough for us.
Yeah, because we got triggerfish ceviche.
Oh yeah. Another update. Bird Island is finally out of sight. We're moving. You got anything to say, Kylie? You got anything to say?
I need more food.
We're still on the boat, but guess what?
But if we were gonna keep
We
them,
can't eat our fish.
you know.
We caught all the fish, and apparently they went bad. So
Work soon enough.
Is my life.
yeah. Yeah.
I'm pissed.
Hello.
Hi, hola,
What's up?
¿cómo está? You like that ceviche?
Quite tasty. It's quite tasty. What are we having for dinner?
Ceviche!
That was your dinner.
Yeah.
That and
Fish
Cocoa
tacos.
Puffs.
Okay, Cocoa Puffs it is, boys.
Oh yeah, that's what we could do. We could make a mole sauce with the Cocoa Puffs.
Hey vlog. Hey, hey all the awesome people watching this vlog. This is an update on your velocity count. We're all depressed. We have no food. The man tossed our food. This one has been asleep all day. We have no food.
depressed.
This has been what we've eaten combined in the past 8 hours.
Not that.
These two have forgotten their food.
Yeah.
Wow,
This
that
door
was
keeps hitting me. And I want to get off this boat.
It's okay, we have another like 30 minutes or something.
Okay, we still
Oh! Update, we're dying now.
update, the boat is sinking.
The boat is sinking. At least, oh, we're like at the point.
Yeah, the Pinto Point.
Pinto point.
20 point, boys.
Pointy point time.
20 points.
Okay, peace.
yeah.
Wait,
Just
Aaron's gonna
pick
eat
it up.
joy to the world. Update vlog, everyone has left the cabin, but they got the boat working. And so now that's like right there is where we're gonna go dock. So we get to almost go home. How exciting.
This is the face of pure depression. We're almost there, but we still have like 20 minutes, and we've all conquered it. Probably not that close. There's the boat that brought us home.
New experience. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen this. Thanks for the recipe.
Yeah.
The piss so fucking bad.
Almost a 12-hour trip. That's what she said.
Not okay.
My feet got.
I mean, like, I loved it.
But it hurts.
Oh god, I have to be so bad.
Yeah, so okay.
Gatsby, we know you got seasick. It's okay, Chief. Also, the rest of our group back there, they're weary as well.
I don't
Yeah.
think I'm gonna sleep all night.
Why?
I slept all day. I was only awake
An outboard skiff? Because if we were on an outboard skiff, we actually might have made it back by 2 o'clock, and we probably would have gone faster than 14 miles an hour.
Anywho, it's 6 o'clock. We're back. None of us are going to the ocean ever again.
I probably will be in there tomorrow.
Yeah, me and Jane will be in there tomorrow, but not
Because our
today.
spear guns are now working.
Yeah, update. Spear guns have been fixed.
Look at us go.
Vlog camera all charged up.
Oh yeah.
Vlog tomorrow.
No, we should
No,
just become
we're
Jake
done.
Paul and put it in our
No,
arm.
the vlog's done.